What's up, boys? Today we're going to be fixing a coolant leak on this old dinosaur right here. This is a 99 Freightliner FLD. Got the Detroit motor in it, nice and simple. Don't have all the crap that the new motors have, but you still have problems every now and then, just like right here. I don't know if you can see that. Right there, that hose is leaking. You can see the moisture right over there. Not that bad of a leak though, but enough to where it's leaving a little bit of moisture on the ground. Who knows how bad it is going down the road. So this is an easy fix. Wrong. You know, it could be just a clamp on that. Who knows? I'd like to play things safe. Just go ahead and replace the hose. Put two of these constant tension clamps on there. That way you don't have to keep tightening them up. These keep constant tension. Because we're taking the hose off right here, coolant's going to run out because coolant level's all the way up here. So we got to drain out some coolant, probably 3 gallons at least. So we're on the driver's side, and I was going crazy a while ago trying to find where to drain the antifreeze on this truck. On my truck, you got to crawl underneath it, and you got this weird looking plug that's plastic, and I'm always worried about breaking it. Well, this truck's nice and simple. No, 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 no! It's right here. The radiator sits way up off the ground like it should. My truck, the radiator is way down here. So if you get stuck, you might get the radiator full of mud, getting pulled through a bunch of mud. Yeah, these old trucks, they had things figured out. But somebody stripped this bad boy out. That wasn't me. Well, I already tried a bunch of wrenches. None of them worked. So
Orders connect to use via scripts.
well, that ain't good.
You're fired.
I am not messing with that anymore. That thing is rusted in there. So I just now noticed on this truck that he's got a filter on here for the coolant, which my truck doesn't have. That's pretty nice. But it was closed. This valve right here was shut off. So you turn it this way, it opens up the flow of the coolant from this radiator hose into the filter. And then you can't see it, but there's a hose on the other side of that runs down underneath this water pump back over here to the other side and hooks into your water pump. Yeah, that should be turned on. I don't know why it was off. But we're going to drain the coolant from right here. We're going to go ahead and shut it. But since that drain valve was rusted in, this is the best spot I can see to drain it out of. I guess you could do right there, but I don't know. That's probably rusted in there too. We'll try to take this loose. All right, we got a 5/16. See what we can do with this. Almost there. Well, that didn't go how I thought it was going to go. Should have known better than that. Yeah, that was dumb. I need a hose connected to that now. Okay. Just made a mess. All right, guys. Well, I am out of options. I tried to take that loose. It's not coming out. I'm definitely not taking that crap loose. So we just got 2 buckets down here, and we're gonna hope that it catches everything, because this is all I got. I'm sure some genius is gonna come along in the comments and have something that's gonna work. I can't think of everything, and I sure as hell don't have specialty equipment. All right, here comes the geyser.
That shit is so disrespectful.
Oh, it slowed down. Slowed down to nothing. Maybe if I take the cap loose on the top here. Oh, damn.
Oh, damn.
Yep. God, this This is not scientific at all. Give it a little bit of airflow there. Well, time to get the kitty litter. And just like that, I have made a mess. All right, guys, we got about 4, 5, 6, we got like 6 gallons, so we're gonna call this good. Tighten this clamp back up. Boy, that antifreeze smells good. Smells like money. Smells like spending money. And of course it's raining. Well, boys, had to drag out the umbrella. Stupid phone. There we go. Damn it. See if this works. Come on. Damn rain ruins everything. Oh, great. Come on. I think it'll make me crawl under the truck. Yep, of course, not easy. Jeez. How am I going to turn that? Just have to cut it off, I think. Make sure this one's the right one. Yeah, that's it. Yep, we're cutting her. Well, I forgot I had these. I don't know if this is going to work. Damn it. Nope. Oops. There it is. Oh, damn, I didn't realize they were that close. We got some flex to it, thank God. Jeez, that would suck if it didn't have any flex. We're gonna sand that down before we put the new one on. Oh, come on. It's not perfect. Damn it. It's pretty smooth. Take these old crappy clamps off. There ain't much room. That's gonna be hard to get that new one in there. Did you get out of there? God. Okay, let's put our new clamps down in here. They're a little bigger. I don't want to take that other end loose. I really don't. Get on there. This is stupid. There we go. There's one. There's two. Now, how's this gonna work? We're gonna try it. Yep. Oh boy, what have I done? What have I done, guys? Oh, you stupid phone, quit moving. I can't pull it over enough. This damn thing's right in my way. Oh, it's on there. Come on, baby. We're gonna get this. You watch. You watch. Oh yeah. Move it over. Slide it on. Maybe. Twist it on. Oh, there it goes. I'm getting out of breath, boys. It could go a little more. It's just, there's a lot of tension. So I had to look back at my old footage to see how far this thing goes over, and it needs to come over quite a bit more, and it's hard to, this is hard. My fingers aren't strong enough. It's got that little arrow right there. See that, guys? What does that mean? Right there. Does that mean that's as far as it goes? We're just going to try to put it where it was at, you know, when we took it off. But it's getting harder. The more I push it, the harder it gets. Go. Oh, this hurts. God, that's it. Holy crap. That was hard. That was unbelievably hard. Everybody's like, you're out of breath, you're out of shape. Yep, definitely. Where's my ratchet? Oh, here comes the rain again. Come on. Stop. Stupid ass rain. Trying to work out here. This one was right on the end. You can tell by the old one. It's right on the end. Oh yeah, that's tight. Don't get them too tight. You know what I'm saying? Stupid phone. There we go. Trying to get a good picture, guys, but this rain is just, this is messing everything up for me. You know what I'm saying? I gotta quit. I've been watching Trailer Park Boys, so if you watch Trailer Park Boys, you know J-Rock, he says, know what I'm saying. So, yeah, it's rubbing off on me. No, I'm seeing, no, I'm seeing. The Rock Pile Boys. Oh, sweet satisfaction. There it is. Good to go. I'm gonna tighten that a little more, maybe. That's fine. So now we gotta fill it back up, and yeah, this thing, I don't. What were they thinking with that? You know, it's hard to pour, but I like to use a funnel with a good screen in it. Yeah, this is gonna be a pain in the ass trying to pour this without this funnel coming out. Oh, this sucks. God. What in the... Come on. I don't even know if I can use this. Damn it. Freightliner. That's what I get for talking so good about it earlier. It's horrible design. Jesus. Of course, it's not wanting to flow. This is horrible. What? This makes no sense. Why would they do this? How am I supposed to fill this up? Of course, it just keeps raining. Just keeps raining. On my phone. Stupid umbrella. Just raining all over all my tools. What a fun day. Just a really fun. I'm just loving it. Alright boys, I think we finally figured it out. I'm going to use this siphon hose that I use for my diesel. Don't worry, there ain't no diesel in it. Put it in the bucket and then put the other in. Whoops. It's just not my day today. Okay, now we gotta it off. She ought to start flowing, boys. You stay in there. It's flowing. Slowly, but it's flowing. At this point, I don't care. As long as it's flowing. I just noticed I look like I'm inside the bucket right here. Oh crap. God, antifreeze everywhere. That's good for now. Okay, we are back. Got a break in this stupid rain. It's been on and off all day. I'm not even going to attempt to pour this crap in there. I also have to mention, because my channel has been growing, that I'm not a professional. So, don't do anything you see in this video. If you want to do something like this, go get the proper training. Go buy a book on it. Take it to a shop. But don't do what I do. I hate that I have to say that, but in the world we live in, you do. I really don't have time to be an expert on everything. I just kind of know a little bit about a lot of stuff. I think if you're an expert on something, that's all you know about probably. I can't dedicate all my time to one thing, or then I would be falling behind on all the other things. Growing up on a farm, that's just kind of the way you do things. You just kind of know how to do a lot of stuff. You're not an expert really at anything, but you know how to do a lot of stuff. And I'm sure there's somebody who's going to get on here. Usually it happens. Going to tell me how dumb I am or how I've been doing it wrong. That's fine. I'll just delete those comments. Come on. Great. I guess we're gonna have to try to pour it. I don't know, man. See if I can do it. Of course, it's spilling. Knew that was gonna happen. What a pain in the ass. Crap. I need more antifreeze. I gotta go back to the truck again. And it's raining, so good timing. Awesome. Why do you keep coming out of there? Stay in there. I'm in a bad mood, guys. This is just not going the way I thought it was going to go. This truck is unfamiliar to me. This is why I don't work on other people's stuff. I don't mind working on this guy's stuff, but other people's, no. Golly, it's taking a lot. I thought for sure that would fill it up, but nope. There's just no graceful way to do this without spilling crap all over the place. I can't see down in there, of course. I can feel there's coolant down in there, so it's about where it needs to be. Old school. Gotta put the key in, make sure it's in neutral. Push the button. Come on, old girl. Well, I got the truck started eventually. It just had low voltage. I ended up putting a switch on there, and look for the video on that. I'll be putting it out soon. But hey, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment. I'll respond to it. Thank you for watching the video. And I guess that's it, guys. We'll see you on the next one.